Hi, I'm Lily Parker from Comfort Care Chronicles. If you're a caregiver, you need to hear this. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more essential tips and updates. As a caregiver for an aging parent or loved one, you play a vital role in their well-being. You provide daily support, companionship, and medical assistance. But have you considered what would happen in an emergency? Being prepared can make all the difference. Emergency preparedness is not just about having a first aid kit handy. It's about anticipating potential crises and knowing how to respond quickly and effectively. This is especially crucial for in-home care, where immediate access to medical facilities might be limited. The peace of mind that comes with preparedness is invaluable. Knowing you can handle a sudden health crisis or a natural disaster can alleviate anxiety for both you and your loved one. It allows you to focus on what matters most, providing compassionate and effective care. Remember, being prepared is not about living in fear. It's about empowering yourself to handle whatever challenges may arise. By taking the time to plan and prepare, you are ensuring the safety and well-being of your loved one and giving yourself the confidence to face any situation. Emergencies come in many forms. Understanding the different types that could arise in an in-home care setting is the first step towards preparedness. Medical emergencies are often the most pressing concern. These could range from sudden falls and allergic reactions to heart attacks or strokes. Natural disasters also pose a significant threat, depending on your geographical location. Earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, and even severe storms can disrupt essential services and require immediate action. Each type of emergency requires a different response. A medical crisis may necessitate calling 911, while a natural disaster might involve evacuation or sheltering in place. Understanding these differences is vital for creating an effective emergency plan. By familiarizing yourself with the potential risks and preparing for various scenarios, you equip yourself to react swiftly and decisively when an emergency strikes. Remember, preparation is not just about reacting to an event, but also about mitigating its impact on your loved one's health and well-being. A safe and responsive home care environment is paramount for your loved one's well-being, especially during an emergency. This involves practical steps like ensuring clear pathways throughout the home, removing tripping hazards, and installing grab bars in bathrooms. But it goes beyond physical safety. Keep a list of emergency contacts easily accessible, including family members, doctors, and neighbors who can assist. Make sure your loved one wears a medical alert bracelet if they have pre-existing conditions. Familiarize yourself with basic first aid and CPR. Consider taking a course to refresh your skills and gain confidence in handling emergencies. Equipping your home with essential supplies is crucial. Assemble a first aid kit stocked with bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any prescription medications your loved one requires. Keep a flashlight, batteries, and a battery-powered radio on hand in case of power outages. Developing a comprehensive care plan. A well-defined care plan is an invaluable tool for caregivers. It serves as a roadmap for your loved one's daily needs and provides crucial guidance during emergencies. Start by assessing their current health status, medications, allergies, and any specific care requirements. Document this information clearly and keep it updated. Include contact information for healthcare providers, preferred hospitals, and emergency contacts. This document becomes your go-to resource in any situation. Discuss potential emergency scenarios with your loved one and family members. Outline steps to take in each case, such as who to contact, where to go, and how to access essential supplies. Regularly review and update the care plan as your loved one's needs change. This proactive approach ensures you are always prepared to provide the best possible care, even in challenging circumstances. Building a support network. Family and professional resources. Caregiving can be demanding, and seeking support is crucial for both you and your loved one. Family members, friends, and neighbors can provide invaluable assistance. especially during emergencies. Share responsibilities, such as grocery shopping, transportation, or respite care, to avoid burnout and ensure someone is always available to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to local organizations for support. The National Institute on Aging, the Home Care Association of America, and the American Association of Retired Persons offer valuable resources, including caregiver training, support groups, and information on local services. Consider professional caregiving services if needed. Websites like care.com and agingcare.com can help you find qualified caregivers in your area. Remember, you are not alone. Building a strong support network of family, friends, and professionals ensures you have the assistance and resources necessary to provide the best possible care for your loved one, both in everyday life and during emergencies.